Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an Avengers photo. First, gather all your superhero costumes and props. Think about which characters you want to portray and what iconic items they use. Next, select a background that enhances the superhero theme, like a city skyline or a dramatic landscape. Finally, set up your lighting to ensure every detail of your costume and pose is perfectly illuminated. This preparation is key for a truly epic shot. Now, let's talk about posing. Each Avenger has a distinct style, so try to embody that in your stance. Think about Captain America's shield pose or Iron Man's repulsor blast. Arrange your subjects to create a dynamic composition, perhaps with one character in the foreground and others slightly behind. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and expressions. Capturing many options will give you the best material to work with later. With your photos taken, it's time for some basic editing. Open your preferred photo editing software and start by adjusting the brightness and contrast to make your heroes stand out. Next, crop your images to refine the composition, ensuring all the focus is on your Avengers. Finally, boost the colors to make those costumes and special effects truly pop, giving your photo that cinematic feel. These simple steps make a huge difference. For advanced editing, consider adding special effects. Think about energy blasts, glowing eyes, or even a subtle force field around your characters. You can also blend multiple images together to create a more complex and epic scene, perhaps combining different heroes from separate shots. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. With these techniques, your Avengers photo will look truly professional and ready for display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.